What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So we had a decent day for AMC today. I'm going to go through everything that happened in AMC. We're also going to go through maybe just a little bit of details when it comes to what I think will end up happening this week and all of that stuff. So if you guys are interested in this content, I know it's more or less just the same updates pretty much every day, waiting for this to make a huge move, especially for a lot of the people that are really interested in AMC. But I appreciate you guys being here. So again, if you guys are interested in this and you really like the content, hit the like button. It does help out. I do see that it has gone down, but 70% of the people that watch this content are subscribed, or 70% of the people are not subscribed. So if you guys want to help out the channel, just subscribe. Also hit the like button. I think I already said that. And check out some of my other channels. I have a golf channel that I think is really interesting. It's really fun to do, and I want to keep doing it if you guys are interested in golf and seeing me in another light. So anyways, let's talk about AMC today, because in the pre-market, we pretty much streamed for an hour. So everybody that stopped by in the stream, I appreciate you guys as well. We didn't really see too much movement until the end of the pre-market, somewhere around like 8:30-ish, and we started to see that rise, get back up to a level of $42, actually being up a couple of percentage points. And then it started to decrease a little bit, more of like a level out, but started to decrease. It did open up at 41.78. We had a high, as you can see here, of 45.71, and we had that low point of 41.28. So we didn't really see too much of a low point. We didn't see it fall really. We saw just drop a little bit, but most of it was positivity. We've seen a lot of buying that was going on, maybe a slight bit of covering, just not as much shorting that was going on. So a lot of times when you don't see as much shorting, you're going to see it actually increase because of the amount that we're holding. This is the difference maker between a lot of the squeeze potential stocks that a lot of people talk about and, you know, AMC and GME. Both of those are heavily held by a lot of retail traders, institutions, people that are holding for a long period of time, versus some of the other ones that are actually, you know, heavily shorted, but then get covered right away. So it's something completely different. Now, we look at what did happen in the when the market opened. We saw a really good increase here, you know, seeing it stair step on the way up and not really seeing too many like heavy breaks or heavy pullbacks. I mean, we did see it get up to about 45 to where it started to resist. And as I seen that, I was like, all right, well, is this going to be the moment where they decide, okay, we don't want this to increase today, and they decide to let it or short this thing into back down to where it was, or at a negative point basically. But no, we did see it jump up even more, hitting a high of 45.71. Currently we're looking at it where it did close at 43.33. It did start to fall down after hitting that high of 45.71 and you know, resisting maybe another time before starting to really find its way down. Maybe you had a little bit of negativity that was created by retail traders, not really institutions. Obviously, institutions would have a heavier impact to a lot of this. And it's not really a lot of shorting that's going on. I would imagine they are still shorting, but just not to the same extent that they were doing previously. This did end up dropping down to $42.63 to where it did jump up and close at $43.33. We had basically 107 million shares worth of volume as of right now. This could go up, but we did have 107 million shares worth of volume, which is not bad. Seeing anything 100 million plus is always good for AMC, for these positions, for you know, a lot of buy volume to go through. That's amazing. But all in all, I mean, it looked like a really good day. I would say as we start to look at how this is, you know, shaping up to be, we're starting to see more consolidation. We saw this break over this level of resistance, a small level of resistance there, and getting up to 48. But right now we're sitting at a comfortable distance, sitting at that level of 43 right here, sitting at that level of 43, showing that we're up in this range as well. And we want to see this continue to stair step on the way up. That's basically what we're seeing. We're seeing a start to a breakout, and we're starting to see that really make that move. So stair stepping on the way up, creating a high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Let's see if we can continue and break through that $48 range and get through 50. That's what I'm looking for. And Who's to say that they won't pull this back down a little bit more? I would imagine we would see a little bit more of a break before that does happen. But then again, AMC, GME are not really following these patterns. So I don't really take any patterns. I take all patterns with a grain of salt. So when I'm looking at higher highs, higher lows, a clear breakout, it doesn't mean that they won't end up shorting this thing to get away from that pattern that we were looking at. So right now, you could see that this is in that form of that consolidation there. But what we can see and what we're hoping for is for this to end up breaking up to that level. Sorry if you hear a crying baby upstairs. I mean, she's sad sometimes. But yeah, I mean, we want to see it break 65. We want to see it break 70 and obviously break that level of 72. A lot of people are asking me, hey, what do I make of these $145 call options for like January, for like next year? And I wanted to tell you that I believe in those call options because I currently have call options for December, $145 call options for December. I believe the FOMO buying will kick in, and don't think that the squeeze up to 100 or 200 that's the squeeze. No, that's the FOMO buying portion of it. That is the beginning portion of the squeeze to where we're going to see not hedge funds make any type of moves. We're going to see people that want to buy into this position as much as possible while hedge funds make less shorting moves, right? When they start to make less shorting moves and we're holding a bunch of positions, we're holding a bunch of stock, and also we're buying a bunch, it ends up turning into a really, really good situation for all of us, right? So all of us that are holding. So guys, let me know what you think about AMC. I know this is a short update. I didn't want to do anything crazy because it is just a regular update. We did have a 6% day, so it's a really solid day. Mondays have been really good for us lately. They really have. And Fridays also have been really good for us lately, which is kind of weird. We don't usually see Mondays and Fridays go well. It's usually like the middle of the week when things start to get settled, when people start to have money and get comfortable with what they have during that week and see all of the different dips and moves and all that stuff. But we've been seeing Monday, we've been seeing Friday be pretty good. We've been seeing Tuesday be really good. A lot of times we've been seeing Wednesday and Thursday not on the right level. Thursday, for the most part, has been pretty negative. So Thursday is starting to turn into the new Fridays. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about what's happening here. I mean, we're still waiting for this to end up making its huge breakout, but we know what they're doing. We know that they're still trying to short. Today, they just didn't short as much as they normally do. So guys, make sure you hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. If you guys are interested in other content, let me know if you want to hear about more crypto. If you have any cryptocurrency you want me to look into the use case, I really only look into the use case of a couple of positions. Really just, the top like 3 or 5 I look into use cases of, but everything else I really don't look into too many use cases. Is more potential. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Also, make sure you check out some of my other channels. The shorts channel, if you guys are interested in that, check out the Matt Reacts channel. I have some more things uploaded on there. Also the golfing channel, which I'm really hype about because I love playing golf, and why not have you guys with me by my side while I'm talking about things, it'll be fun. You're definitely seeing another side of me. But guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate you being here and being a part of, basically like this whole Matt Perry team. You know what I mean? I really appreciate you guys, but I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next video.